travel beyond the stars and unlock the mysteries of the universe.
But there's another unit, a stranger, more arcane measure that astronomers use. The parsec. Why does this peculiar unit even exist? Is it merely a tool of convenience, or does it hold a deeper, more esoteric meaning? As the Earth orbits the Sun, our viewpoint shifts, and nearby stars appear to move slightly against the backdrop of more distant ones. The angle of this shift is called the parallax angle. In 1913, the British astronomer Herbert Hall Turner proposed a new name for a distance unit based on this method. He coined the term parsec, a portmanteau of parallax and arcsecond. Let's step away from the purely scientific and into the realm of the esoteric. Think about the number 1. It represents unity, origin, the source. The pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge, the Nazca Line's are testaments to a deep understanding of astronomical alignments. They saw numbers and geometry not just as tools, but as a sacred language, the very thoughts of the Creator written in light and stone. We are, quite literally, the baseline for this grand cosmic measurement. This places humanity at the very center of its own observational universe. In esoteric traditions, this isn't seen as arrogance, but as a reflection of a deeper truth. The microcosm reflects the macrocosm. The human observer is not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it, a point of consciousness through which the universe observes itself. The parsec, in this light, becomes more than a distance. It's a symbol of our unique position, the bridge between our terrestrial home and the stellar expanse. It quantifies the universe in terms of our own journey through space. In many numerological systems, 3 represents creation, synthesis, and manifestation. 2 represents duality, balance, and partnership. 6 represents harmony, balance, and the union of the spiritual and the material. Could the numerical value of the parsec itself be a clue, a hidden message in the fabric of cosmic measurement? Perhaps the parsec isn't just about how far away a star is, but it also encodes a principle of creative harmony, a balance between our world and the heavens. It's a compelling thought that the very units we invent to describe reality are not arbitrary, but are guided by an underlying mathematical and spiritual structure. Now, let's consider the concept of parallax itself. It requires 2 points of view, 2 eyes, to create depth perception. This duality is a fundamental theme in many mystical traditions. Light and dark, spirit and matter, yin and yang. Parallax is the scientific embodiment of this principle. It's through the tension between 2 perspectives that a third, deeper reality distance or depth is revealed. a principle where the observer, the angle of observation, and the distance observed are all part of a single, unified structure. And what about its relationship to the light year? The light year is about time and the ultimate speed limit. The parsec is about space and geometry. Are we, as a species, transitioning from one mode of thinking to the other? The next time you look up at the stars, remember the parsec.